Okay, so let's talk about this. Now, I brought this up in the beginning and I wanted to show you exactly what it's for. Now, this is a Bluetooth sender, receiver, I don't know what it is, but basically it allows your phone to attach and it plugs into your car's computer, which I'll be installing right now to show you. But before I do that, I want to show you exactly what the reason for this is. Now, before we go any further, I just want to tell you guys about this great app I found called RevHeads. Before any of you guys ask, I'm not sponsored by them. This is just the whole reason about the Bluetooth thing. And it's just a great little app that it helps you make a lot of engine sounds and stuff. Now, first, I downloaded it because I thought it'd be really helpful for maybe adding sound effects, and it 100% is. But what really makes this app special is that it comes with a Bluetooth OBD2 port option, which lets you connect to your car via your car's computer. And your car's computer, it sends the data to the Bluetooth, and it sends it to your phone, and the app recognizes this and plays the engine sounds exactly as they should. So if you want to, your car can sound like a Ferrari, it can sound like a Mustang, it can sound like pretty much whatever you want. It's just the kind of dumb fun that I was looking for Rice Car, so here you go. Okay, so it's actually pretty easy to do. You have to have it hooked up to your speakers so you can hear it. Obviously, this doesn't come out of the tailpipe. Let's get to, which one seems interesting? Let's turn that down a little bit. So let me go to OBD2, accept. Red line is 6500, optimization, RPM, throttle, and speed. Connect. Allow. Okay, so Bluetooth, it does not work very well in my car. So, okay, so here is the Lamborghini. Now, actually, I feel like that can go wrong, so I'm gonna roll up that window slightly. So, let's see how it feels revving. Oh no, this doesn't work at all on this thing. Okay. Let's back out of here. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but after this, I'll show you my mom's Jeep so you can really see how it's supposed to sound. For some reason, the Jeep works a lot better. I am recording, right? Yes, I am. Okay, let's just take a... Let's roll up the windows so you can hear everything. Okay, clear on the left, clear on the right. So this is a 4.3 liter V8. By the way, these are all the starter ones. I'm only going to show you the starter ones. $1,800cc motorcycle. It's gonna sound like a Harley. Clear on the, well, no, not clear on the right. Let's go. Viper, it's a V10. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse. Right now it's definitely in the better section. Clear on the left. All right. Now I'm in the Jeep, so this should actually work a lot better. 6500, is it the same RPM? Yeah, 6500 roughly. Doohickey, OBD, come on. Okay, there we go. See, that's a lot better. 0.09 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna leave this right here. Let's start with the V12 again. I like the V12. That sounds great. That sounds all right. Not a fan of it. Oh, phone fell. Let's pick one more, and I have some of the other packs. I did the Viper. Ooh, let's do a monster truck. 11.5 liter V8. All right. The OBD port, I was super excited to do that because I was wondering, I want to put on a muffler, a terrible eBay muffler, but I'm too lazy to buy one and I don't want to spend a ton of money on installing one. That'll have to be a video by itself. But in the meantime, just crazy dumb engine sounds is just there's not really much like turning on your car and hearing a Ferrari when you know you have like a 4-cylinder in there. It's the kind of dumb fun which I can't help but smile while doing. I actually will recommend. It's a fun party chick. The OBD2 scanner only cost me like $5 to $10 around there, and the app is free unless you downloaded a couple other things, which I downloaded a couple, but the starter pack is already good enough by itself. I'd really recommend that all of you get that OBD port because it's stupid fun, and it's not a question about whether it plugs into your car or not. It'll plug into any car that has a computer in it. So, JC, your Civic could sound like a Reverb. Storm Garage, your Miata could sound like a Lamborghini. Who else? Ashley Vaughn. Oh my god, I made one video with Ashley Vaughn, but it's the only other car YouTuber that I have actually collaborated with. Ashley, it can sound like a monster truck, which that's serious. There's actually a monster truck engine in there. I've noticed it actually works on my mom's Jeep a little bit better than my car because I don't know what it is, but yeah. So that about wraps things up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just a reminder, comment down below what you want to see on this next. The most liked comment by the end of next week is going to be the picked one, and if it's cheap, then I'm gonna pick the other 2 or 3. The car's in your guys' hands, so feel free to do with that as you will. So yeah, that wraps things up. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.